Quezon Avenue, Quezon City. Try nyo na, kaibigan, at masarap ang lasa.
Taong inagaw mo.
Oh, no!
Tapos ilalagay mo pa sa caption, God gave me you.
Mabubusog ating mga taya sa mga tugtog.
For appreciation. What's up also?
Taong 2016 ate, nakagraduate na ako. At pagka-graduate ko, lumuwas po ako ng Maynila.
Tickets at smtickets.com.
Treasured Show, a world-class creation.
Play buttons are easy access.
Of music.
With the dawn, I see the sun.
Wedding flu. I have body pain.
Blister pack. Madaling bitbitin. Kayang ibusa.
Pwede yung pakit, ha? Wala pa rin nangyayari. Anong petsa na?
And fade away, sell the raisin for the 70s. And like his promise is true.
This car is unbreakable.
Someone that I used to love. Sana all. Anyway, thank you po. Salamat. Thank you, Nay. Salamat sa pagkikinig. Okay. Rowena Basahon, magandang hapon.
Ay Mental Health Awareness Month. So,
Shampoo with regular use.